is how the consistency of your mixture should be. Okay, brush in a circular motion. I'm going to brush my pan twice with the flour and then put on heat using low medium heat and allow to heat for like 5 to 10 seconds. These are all my spring roll filling. I'll be making like 60 wraps, spring roll and samosa. Look at the other one. This is my feeling. I hope you guys slept well. I want to start this vlog here. It's 7:15 a.m. We're going to a fish pond to buy some fish that I'll be using for the house, for the little birthday celebration that we're preparing for. And guys, I'm going to make different meals today. I've already did my small chops. I've packed it, and later I'll be making probably peppered beef and pomo, and also the fish pepper soup. So guys, keep watching. It's going to be a fun vlog, and I'm going to carry you guys along, so keep on watching. Thanks.
That can't even plenty past that day.
No, it's not plenty.
They said the water plenty past that day.
See this one, then they don't the big small. That's a main pot water for fire. Yeah, for the above.
That one, no, just stand there. That one, water not even there. Water not there. This one.
This is one full boat. Me?
This is looking so on point. Ooh, yummy. This tastes so delicious. Like the taste is yum. Wow, look at that, just look at it. Gay. Oh my god, I can't wait to have a taste of this catfish. Jeez. And see iffy on this one. As he don't do a beg, they let me laugh. He said not iffy on this one. He go fear marketing now.
Hello guys, it's your girl Hyphy. Oh, the lighting. Sun-kissed. Okay guys, I just finished preparing the meals we're going to serve today. I made nkwobi, I made peppered meat and pomo. I made fish pepper soup and small chops. And I believe you guys have seen it. Now I'm all dressed. I just took a bath, a quick one, and I'm dressed up. No makeup for today because I'm stressed and tired. I just want to go and enjoy myself. So guys, keep watching. I hope to take you guys along when we get to the venue of the party. Thank you guys if you've watched up to this moment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later guys. It's the next morning after the birthday celebration we went for. Guys, my friend's birthday was a success. It was a blast. We all had fun. We had a lot of things to eat and drink. We vibed. I believe you've seen some of the clips. I wish I can post everything, but yesterday was mad fun. I really enjoyed myself, and when we got back home, I was super tired, and I just pushed myself to have my bath, and I went straight to bed. I'm just waking up this morning, and I thought to end this vlog here. So guys, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.